So this next dish in our rare, unique dishes in our Makansutra ebook cooking recipe videos is brought to you by Maybank. Maybank is a hardcore foodie. They are advocates of this food culture, and they are right there with you when it comes to this delicious culture of our food. So today we're gonna cook for you the prawn paste pork shoulder clay pot rice that I have with me, my good buddy, Chef Benny Se Teo. And we both hail from Guangzhou, where this dish is from. We are both from Hoi Peng. And I'll let Benny show you the way.
Okay, first I'm going to boil the lap cheong first to soften it. I'm using 180 grams of pork shoulder because there's a good amount of fats. A teaspoon of prawn paste, ha jiong, 3/4 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 3/4 tablespoon of sugar, and to seal it, I'm going to put peanut oil, 2 tablespoons of corn flour.
This is to tenderize the meat.
A good mix, and best marinate for half an hour.
How much water is that and why?
So actually just now I'm using 1 bowl of rice. So right now I'm going to use back 1 bowl of water. I just soaked the rice for half an hour. So I want to take out this. Yes, just nice, very good. Pour in the rice.
Oh, wow.
It's okay to open the lid, and I want to see how the water is reduced and left just a little bit on top. Then I will start to put my ingredients.
So first in is the prawn paste pork shoulder. Beautiful.
Yes.
It's both a meat and liver sausages. Wet
Then I'm going to drip
sausages.
some oil from the side.
What is this for, Benny?
So I hope to get an equal, even socarrat. Fan jiu. No. This one. Wow, the tilt.
Why do we need to tilt?
Because I want the crust to be evenly on the bottom of the rice.
How long should we do this for?
I'm going to tilt it 4 times, north, south, east, and west.
And each for how long?
2 minutes.
2 minutes, okay.
I can smell the fan jiu already. Then I'm going to put it straight, put some saucing wine, and then just aside
around the cover.
Around the cover. Just let it slowly dip.
Why is
for
this
about
for?
1 minute. I just want the fragrance. Wow!
Whoa!
Ginger.
Oh, lovely. Oh my goodness.
And this is soy sauce, but this is optional. Not too much. Just like that. Okay, that will be nice. Ham ha ji yok sa bo fan.
Okay, and now the litmus test. Let's see the crust, Benny.
Yes. I'm also looking forward to see the fan jiu. Wow, you can hear the sound.
Oh, it's feelings.
Well, if it's the metal one, will be just a bit of crust.
With the crusty rice.
Okay.
Whoa,
So
Benny Se.
wow. You got to eat it to believe it.